Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EngageBay CRM account. And specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your EngageBay CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your EngageBay anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you meet people organically, so you want to manually add them into your CRM to keep in touch. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EngageBay dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EngageBay account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add just one contact, you're going to click on this button here on the top, Contacts. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click on Contacts. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all the contacts that you have inside EngageBay. However, to add a new contact manually, click on this blue button here on the top right, Create New. Okay, so here you can go ahead and add the contact information. So there's only two parts that are actually required. You're going to need a first name and then also the time zone. However, if you're manually adding in a new contact into your EngageBay CRM, I would recommend that you go ahead and try to fill out as much of this as possible, because there might be a time in the future when you're interacting with this potential lead and you forgot, or you want to refresh your memory on who this person was. But at minimum, you do need to enter in a name. So we'll go ahead and put this here, and then also a time zone. But you also have room for the last name, email, what their role is. You can tag them, their company name, phone numbers, websites, addresses, all of that. And if there's more information you want to save about this person, you can add other fields down here. Click on Fields, and then you can add a custom field. So let me go back. Okay, so once you filled it out, go ahead and click on Submit. Okay, as soon as you do that, it's going to bring you here to the settings for that one particular contact that we manually added in. And if we go back here to Contacts, okay, so here you can see that person has been added as a new contact into my EngageBay CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact into your EngageBay CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.